In this video, I'm going to show you how to add credit card as payment method to your Shopify account. So first thing you need to do is, of course, log into your Shopify account and go to Dashboard. After going to Dashboard, click on Settings on the left corner. So click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, you would see many options here. Plan, billing, users. So you need to go to Payments. After going to Payments, you would see three options. We have payment providers, supported payment methods, and payment capture method, and manual payment method. And there are also customization, gift cards, Apple Wallet passes, and there are a lot of payment methods you could add. So to go ahead and add payment methods for your customers, so go ahead and go to supported payment methods. You could also set up your PayPal account here if you want. So you just need to go and add the payment method, search by payment method. So I'll search, for example, a credit card. Credit card, we have here supported by Visa, a MasterCard, Discover, American Express, Diners Club, JCB, Union Pay, Visa Electron, and so many other credit cards supported. So all you need to do is just select one of the credit cards here, then log into your credit card or fill in the information for your credit card, and you're all set. That's how to add your credit card as payment method on your Shopify account.